This is for you, sir.
Oh, this must be my new Vivo V27 series smartphone. Well, it's time to unbox the Spotlight phone. The new Vivo V27 series is designed thoughtfully to put you in the spotlight. Thanks to its incredible 120Hz curved display and ultra slim design with a lovely color changing glass back that looks wonderful in person. What makes the V27 even more special are the cameras. Combining an ultra sensing Sony IMX766V sensor with aura light feature, the V27 series lets you capture mind-blowing portraits even in the low light. And wait till you hear the next great feature hidden inside the Vivo V27 series. The V27 series is specially designed for Indian weddings. We are proud to introduce wedding style portraits, a unique feature that is coming to India for the very first time. Now, you can capture, create and bring the best out of all the colorful Indian weddings, making you the one who will always steal the spotlight during all those joyous moments. All in all, the new Vivo V27 series isn't just another range of smartphones. This is technology that is designed to delight you with its looks, camera, and lots of wonderful features. Looks like I've gotten my spotlight. I hope you're ready to get yours with the all-new Vivo V27 series.
Vivo.